Well, we saw a little amount of sunshine across the region today, as most of that was confined to eastern portions of the UP, but there is a disturbance beginning to push its way southward out of Canada that will eventually arrive as we head into Wednesday. And then by Wednesday night, that's when the snows will really begin to break out for us, and we'll be looking out for minor accumulating snow to enter the region. Right now at 23 degrees, just a few flurries out there, and we'll continue to see those throughout the early evening hours. Not going to see a lot, though, and that should push out of here and not factor much into the forecast. Current winds coming in from the southwest at 5 miles per hour. And here's a look at your current temperatures. Lower 20s in Marquette, and off to the west, temperatures in the mid-20s. Ontonagon at 25 degrees, 27 in Ironwood, at 26 in Houghton, and at 23 in Crystal Falls, and all the way down here into Menominee. And for us a little off to the east, more of the lower 20s. Manistee at 22, 23 in Escanaba. Teens, as we usually see that cooler air as of late, here into Sault Ste. Marie at 17 and 23 in Ishpeming. But winds coming pretty lightly, around 3 miles per hour across most of the region. 6 here into Ironwood, coming in from the north, and Houghton at 3 miles per hour, and those will remain on the light side as we head throughout the evening. But temperatures in the 20s, farther south, seeing more the upper teens in Rogers City and in Alpena as they are farther off to the east, and even lower 20s in Port Huron at 22. And wind chills, most of the pink on the eastern half of the state. So 17 in Sault Ste. Marie, 18 in Mackinac City, 10 in Alpena. And for us across central and western UP, more of those upper teens for our current wind chills, and those could even be in the lower 20s as we head throughout the night. And by tomorrow, much warmer air does arrive, and that will lead to some of us reaching the lower 30s for afternoon highs. So let's take a look at our headlines. Mostly cloudy throughout the overnight. As I said, maybe a few early flurries, but not going to see much out of that at all with the limited moisture that we do have in place. But we will start to see more of that moisture arrive with our next disturbance coming in by tomorrow evening. Temperatures much warmer for us, back into the lower 30s, and the snow continues on into tomorrow night as the heavier snow does arrive, leading to what it looks to be right now between maybe 1 to 3 inches, and not just a little more in some locations. But for right now, we will call for that 1 to 3. Let's take a look at our setup. Area of low pressure will be diving southward as we head throughout the night. That's going to lead to our snow picking up by tomorrow evening. More of that milder air mass is going to try to scoot its way eastward, but we're not going to feel the full brunt of it like they are seeing out into the central and northern plains. And for us as we head into our Wednesday, high pressure will start to scoot off to the east, allowing more of that southwesterly flow to come back into the UP, and that's why things will start to warm up for us ever so slightly. Here's a look at your futurecast model. Cold front beginning to work its way southward. We'll see that brings along with it snow as we go into Wednesday night, and it will be some heavy snow at times, but then that will push out of here quickly. Clipper systems usually do that, and then as we head into Thursday evening, more of a just mostly cloudy sky, overcast sky with some areas of sunshine. For tonight, we'll drop down to 13 degrees, mostly cloudy and chilly for us. South-southwest winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And as we head into Wednesday, clouds with a few late flurries are going to be in store for us. South winds between 10 to 15 miles per hour. Here are a look at your highs. 32 in Lawrence, at 32 degrees in Crystal Falls, 34 in Ontonagon, and we'll call for the upper 20s in Marquette. Your 7-day forecast, upper 20s for us on Wednesday and Thursday as the snow pushes through, but look at how things really cool off after Thursday. Starting to see more of that cold air in place. 11 for your high. We'll seesaw back to the lower 20s by Saturday before more of that cool Arctic air mass comes in by Sunday and Monday.